Hey guys, it's finally here. I finally got my summer mystery box from LUG. So I'm super excited for this. I've been waiting for this. This is the fourth box that I've received. The very first one was in a really small package, but it was full of lots of goodies. And that second one was the holiday one, and it was a little bit of a disappointment. It was in the same size of box as this one. So I'm hoping that this one is not a disappointment because the spring box was so great. That one was the best box by far. So I'm hoping that this one's even better. I don't know if it can get better than that spring box, but we're gonna see. So I have done so good about not going on Facebook to see any of the spoilers because I love to be completely surprised by these boxes. I love to just open it up and be completely surprised. So let's just go ahead and open up and see what is in this mystery box. So if you're not familiar, this is a mystery box that they have started coming out with every season now from LUG. And it's just full of all kinds of things. You don't know what's in it. And in every box, there's been something that has not been released yet that's in the box first. So I'm excited to see what is in here. Let me make sure I have all of the tape off. Nope. It is taped up good. Let me just get all this tape off and we're gonna see what is inside the box. So this is $149 in the US. I'm not sure what it is in Canada, but it is full of all kinds of goodies from LUG. And so let's see what is in the summer edition box. It's a good size box. It's kind of heavy. And I might get all the tape off. Yes, all the tape is off now. Okay, let's see what we have in here. So I'll just kind of get to the side. Here it is, and I'm just going to throw this to the side because I know in the previous box that there was a catalog in the front that showed everything that was in there, so I don't want to see anything. I want to be completely surprised when I'm looking. I see some bloom black, some nautical navy, and some blush pink. This is going to be a good one, I think. And I see a little bit, it maybe looks like resort black peeking through at the bottom. So I think this might be a good box. So let's see. First off, I'll see what is this blush pink. So let's see what we have. Oh, it's a scoop too. So I just picked up the scoop too in the ocean. I love this in the blush pink. So this is going to be really pretty. So this is a new bag. So they've included a new scoop in here. This is exciting. I love blush pink. I'm gonna see if it's that same interior of the other ones that I have. Yes, so it's that little chevron design in front. So this is the scoop 2, and I do have a video on comparing the original scoop to the scoop 2 in that ocean blue that I've got, which is a beautiful color. I love this bag, so I'm super excited to get it in this neutral blush pink because this is a gorgeous color. So this is exciting. So we have a scoop 2. Wow, that's almost worth it. That's almost worth it as it is. Okay, so let's see what we have in the nautical navy. A chewy? What is a chewy? I don't know what a chewy is. Is this a new bag? It has to be a new bag because I don't know what this chewy is, and I'm loving this nautical navy. Oh my goodness, I don't have anything in the nautical navy. I almost got the Apollo in the nautical. This is cute. What is this? Is this like a lunch bag? I like this, and this is a perfect size to fit in a beach bag, if you want to put it in a beach bag. So this is the chewy. Another new bag. Oh, and it can be used as a crossbody, adjustable strap for a crossbody. Yes, it says it is a lunch bag. So this is awesome. So it has your little carrying handles. I'm loving this. Ooh, and the pretty little like anchor design in the front. So it's not that stripe design that some of the nautical navy has. It has the like little anchor look in there. Ooh, I like this. And then it has this little like mesh thing right here on the inside, and it's fully insulated, and it has a crossbody strap. Ooh, look at that good opening. I like that. Ooh, I like this. I'm excited. And then it has the wipeable bottom. A chewy. So we have a scoop 2 already and a chewy. So, and these are great prints. I'm loving these summer prints. Shut the front door. What is this in the beach? Oh, I just dropped my box, guys. Is this a beach towel? Please tell me this is a beach towel. This is a beach towel, and it is so incredibly soft, and it is the resort black. Like, I have been saying that LUG needs to do a beach towel. They have a beach towel. This is so exciting. Look how big this beach towel is. This is a huge beach towel. Oh my gosh. And it's in the resort black. Yes. Yes, this is everything. This box is already everything. Pardon me, everything spilled out of the box because I kind of just threw it on the floor. Hang on just a second. Let me grab the box back. Okay, I have my box back. because I kind of just threw it on the floor because I got so excited when I saw this beach towel. So we've got a beach towel, a Chewy, which is an insulated tote, all these things we can take to the beach. So you can put this in a beach bag, a larger beach bag. You can put this Chewy in it. I'm excited about this Chewy. I love this nautical navy. Love the nautical navy. It's so, so pretty. And then the Scoop 2 in this blush pink. It can't get any better than this already. So, oh, we have a baseball cap. Wow. Called a topper in the Bloom Black. Now, I'm not really a fan of the Bloom Black. It's not my favorite print, but I'm not going to complain. It's a baseball cap. So, this is cool. We have a baseball cap, guys. A baseball cap. So, yes. I mean, it's pretty. Ooh, wouldn't this have been pretty in a nautical navy? Or the resort black. Or anything. Or the solids. Or the blush pink. That would be pretty, too. So, here is your baseball cap. So, loving the baseball cap, too. Wow, it's made out of the same material, maybe, as the Freestyle stuff, I'm thinking. So this is cool and adjustable in the back by a Velcro strap. So that's cool. So we've got a baseball cap now. And then here is the shirt. Let's see what it looks like. This box is so exciting. I'm so excited, and I just love that I have been able to stay off Facebook and not see the spoilers, because it is so great when you can just be surprised. And my birthday was June 1st, so this is a late to me, from me, birthday gift, and it's just like opening up Christmas. Okay, so this is a pretty, I don't know if this come in other colors. I'm going to look at everybody's unboxings now and see if there was other colors of this, but this is a really pretty color, and it has that gray butterfly on here, and it says smile and shine. So I got this in a large, so I think this is going to be good. It's kind of more one of your shorter styles as well, but ooh, it's super soft, just like all the other LUG shirts that we've gotten in the boxes. They are super soft, but love this color. Like I said, I'm anxious to see if there's any other colors in this one, so that is cool. Ooh, and then we have one of the cups. Let's see, these are 16 ounces. Yes, 16 ounces, and this is in the Stars and Shells navy. How beautiful. I've been looking at LUG Live and wanting one of these cups, but then I couldn't decide whether I really did want one or not. But this one is so pretty. Look at that pretty aqua on the top. This is pretty. This box is everything. Okay, so now we have a mug that we can take. And then, is this a beach ball? Okay, so a flamingo beach ball. Okay, all right. My boys will love that. And then it looks like the last thing that's in here is a peekaboo. I was wondering where the flamingos were going to come in with the box. I hadn't seen anything with flamingos yet. I almost bought the peekaboo when it came out in the Resort Black, but then I thought I had a feeling that this peekaboo might be in the summer box. I wasn't sure. I had a feeling. So this is really pretty. And so this is the flamingo blue. So I'm not really a fan of the original flamingo black, but the flamingo mint I really like, but this blue color is absolutely beautiful. So I'm excited about this. So this does not zip or anything like that, but it does have a magnetic closure and it's completely see-through. So I really, 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 really like this because I think everything can go in here. This has been a great box. Is that everything? Yes. So that is everything that's in the box. So this makes me so excited. This is great. Like there's nothing in here that I don't like. You got a Scoop 2, which is a brand new release, a Chewy, which I've never seen before. Then the cup is gorgeous in that Stars and Shells navy. Love the top, love the color. Baseball cap, brand new item as well that we've never seen. Love it. Would have preferred another pattern, but I'm not going to be picky because I know when I'm coming into these boxes that it could be a disappointment or it could be something really, really good. So far, this is the 4th box that I've gotten, and this one is probably the best one. Like I would have said that the spring box was the best one, but this one is even better. This one has topped that one because a Scoop is my favorite bag, and the Scoop 2 I've been really enjoying in the ocean blue, and this Chewy I love it in this nautical navy. I wear my baseball cap during the summertime, and this I almost pulled the trigger on this one, but I didn't get it. And this is really pretty. This blue background on this flamingo stuff is super pretty. I can't wait to see some other prints, some other bags that they may come out with in this flamingo blue, because I think it's going to be really pretty even on the bigger stuff, because you can't really see much of it on this trim here. But this is super exciting. This box is by far the best one. Like I said, the first box was a little small box, and It came with the trolley crossbody though, which was great, and a coupe and some eco shoppers. So that one was a great box. The holiday box was a little bit of a disappointment because there wasn't any big bags in there, but they did have the throw. I didn't have any of the blankets from LUG, and that was really nice and soft and comfortable. I didn't have a Huggy and a Chuggy, so that was really great. But that spring box blew me away with that freestyle new fabrication in that packable backpack, because I love a packable backpack. I'm always traveling with those. And that coupe vegan leather. I mean, like, the spring box, you couldn't beat it. So this one is even better. I'm really loving this top. I love this color. Can't wait to see if there was any other colors in it. But these little butterflies, and it just says smile and shine. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love this whole box. The scoop too, and that blush is so pretty. So everything is so great in this box. I'm super excited about this box, and now I can't wait to see everybody else's unboxings to see how excited they were. Surely this was not a disappointment to me. Oh, the best thing in this box. Yes, how could I forget? Yes, I have been saying it would be so great if they would come out with the beach bag, because their throws are so soft, and I figured surely they would have a soft beach blanket, and their prints are so beautiful, and they put it in the best print ever. This is my favorite print right now, and I can't believe that we've got a beach towel. I'm so excited about this. So this will look so pretty in that peekaboo beach bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This is the best box so far. So if LUG just keeps getting better, then just everybody's gonna want these mystery boxes. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm so excited to start using all of these products. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just give it a thumbs up for me. And I hope to see you in my next video.